Hi guys! To set up your Google Maps widget, you'll need a Google Maps API key. In this video, we'll show you how to get one and add it to your widget. First, open your Google Cloud Console. If you don't have an account yet, check the link in the description. Select the project you want to use or create a new one. This is where your API key will be created. Open the billing section from the menu and make sure your project is linked to an active billing account. If billing is not enabled, you'll see a message asking you to link a billing account. Next, let's enable the required APIs. These allow your widget to load map data. Open APIs and Services and go to the library. Search for and enable Maps JavaScript API, Directions API, and Geocoding API. Just open it and click Enable. You can check that all APIs are enabled by going to Enabled APIs and Services. Let's restrict the key. Now, go to APIs and Services, Credentials, and click on your API key. This key connects your widget to Google Maps. If you don't have an API key yet, you can also create one here. Now let's restrict the key to keep it secure. First, under API restrictions, check only the required APIs: Maps JavaScript API, Geocoding API, and Directions API. Then click OK. Next, under Application Restrictions, select Websites. First, add the Elfsight domain. Then, add your website domains in the following formats. It may take up to 5 minutes for the restrictions to take effect. Click Save. Then click Show Key and copy your API key. Go to your Elfsight dashboard, find the widget where you want to add the API key, and click Edit. In the editor, paste your API key into the API key field and click Apply. Then click Publish to apply the changes. And that's it. If you need more detailed written instructions or run into any issues, check the guides in our Help Center linked in the description. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.